Good morning. It's Monday. Happy Monday. In Canada here it's a holiday today, so I'm home. I'm always home, but many of you in Canada are also home, so you get to see my video this morning. I have a couple of things I want to talk about. So some of them are things I've been working on. So this is my rigid Heddle loom that I'm working on right now, a double weave project. I've got some color and weave in here. It's a log cabin. Of course, it's not, the whole thing isn't log cabin, which is why you're just seeing the stripes now. But I've kind of sorted out what's going on with the two Heddles. It took me quite a while to sort it out and get my color work the way I want it, but I think I've now got it sorted so that I am ready to teach. I'll be teaching some color and weave on two Heddles starting in January, some Two-Heddle projects, and some will include color and weave. But I want to talk, speaking of classes, I want to talk about what's coming up in September through to December. And I've been thinking for quite some time about a Scarf of the Month class, so I think I've got things almost finalized. I don't have any dates set, so you can't register yet, but here's what's coming in September. We have My First Scarf, which is going to take you through the basics of making a scarf. Now, if you are already a proficient weaver, you may think that this isn't a class for you, but I will say we're going to go through everything. So we're going to start right with how to set up your loom and measure for the correct warp. We're going to talk about tensioning, tying on, changing colors in your warp, changing colors in your weft, measuring, some easy ways to thread your heddle, right down to the hem stitch and the fringing when we're finishing our scarves. So even if you are a proficient weaver, you might consider this class anyways. The next thing in October, we'll be looking at color and weave. So this is a spectacular chenille, so super, super soft. It's great for those people who don't like to wear wool. And of course, making these scarves, you're gonna have your Christmas presents ready too. So chenille, great for the non-wool wearer. Super soft, feels like velvet. We'll talk about how to deal with chenille, some of the difficulties you can run into with chenille. We'll talk about the structure of log cabin, how to thread it. I'll walk you through how I thread my heddle. That makes it fairly easy to thread for log cabin. And again, we'll go through all the basics as well as finishing and just having a really beautiful scarf when you're done. In November, I think we're going to do a pickup pattern. I haven't decided which one yet, but I think it's going to be Oh So Soft, which is a really gorgeous 2 pickup stick pattern. But if two pickup sticks are a little daunting, you can definitely do it with just one. And in December, I think we'll look at our Variadent reed and some things we can do with the Variadent reed. So that's what's coming this fall. Sign up for my newsletter, so go to my website, sign up for my newsletter to know what's coming when, so you don't miss out on these classes. This is something, so I did a video earlier this week about Leno lace, and I talked about the project that I was working on. So this is the shirt, or poncho, not really a shirt, it's completely open at the sides. I haven't even finished the sides yet, I've just serged the edges. So this is it. I'm not sure I'm totally in love with it. It's not my style of top, it's not what I normally wear, but tell me what you think. Tell me if this is a pattern that you think that you would like to see. It's nice and airy, it's cotton, be great over a tank. If you're going out for the evening, or you're going to be hanging around the beach or whatever, just throw it on. And because it's cotton, you can wash it. I'm really pleased with how the Leno lace turned out though. So while this isn't my style of top, I am really pleased with how the lace turned out. I've got a video showing how to do that lace. You can check that out. I'll put the link in the description of the video. Finally, I've been, as you know, doing some triangle weaving. I tried this week twice to do a log cabin on my triangle loom, and even though I know exactly how log cabin works, I could not get that going. So I went for something a little simpler, and this is my third project off the loom. It's a houndstooth. I love it. I think it turned out really well. I'm using Moonshine Bulky by Juniper Moon, and it is fulling beautifully when it comes off. And I sent this one through the washing machine on a drain and spin cycle. So I soaked it in my sink, put it through the washing machine on the drain and spin, and then put it in the dryer for about 20 minutes. Kept my eye on it, kept checking it every few minutes. It turned out really well. It's so soft and the texture is just incredible. So that's what I'm working on this week. That's what I have to look forward to, or what you have to look forward to in the coming months. If you've liked this video, like it, comment, share. Anywhere that you can share this video, feel free, to your guild, to a Facebook group, wherever you think there are weavers that would be interested in seeing this. If you have techniques that you would like to learn, I've been building up a library of techniques. So if there's a specific technique that you'd like to learn and you'd like me to do a video, just let me know in the comments and I'll see if I can do some videos for that. So enjoy your week, get some weaving in, take some time to relax, take a deep breath and just sit down at your loom and enjoy.